Hey everyone, today we're making clay flower earrings. I used Sculpey 3 in the shade yellow and a pasta machine to flatten the clay this time around instead of a rolling pin. I selected a circular cutting tool and cut 2 circles into the clay, and these 2 circles, they're going to be used as the base of my flowers. I selected a 12mm petal cutter, and when I used it the first time, the clay kept getting stuck inside of the petal cutter and it got stuck in the circle as well. So I went in with cling wrap, and I found that it was definitely helpful with preventing it from sticking inside of the cutter. I gently remove the cling wrap and each petal. I wanted the petals to have some texture, so I went in with a silicone mold and I placed the petal inside the mold and just pressed it gently, and they came out with the perfect flower texture. I always use liquid Sculpey as an adhesive for clay since it hardens when it's baked and it also has a translucent finish. Right, so I use a dotting tool to adhere the petal to the base, and I quite like the dotting tool because I find that it adds depth to the petal and it gives it natural look, so when the flower is finished it has more of a 3D effect. So after this I used a tool that has a silicone tip and I curved the edge of each petal with that. Off camera I would have baked for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After the clay would have cooled down, I went in with my UV resin and I coated it using a paintbrush because I didn't want the resin going on too thick, and I cured for 2 to 3 minutes each coat. I used the UV resin as an adhesive to attach a faux pearl piece in the center of each flower. I used the UV resin to attach the earring posts. I honestly prefer UV resin as an adhesive over super glue, all types of glue. I have tried so many different types of glues, but the weather here, the climate is humid, so I believe after a while that causes the glue to lose its adhesiveness. And this is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye!